everybody. Asda Essentials beef burgers and Asda Essentials breaded cod fish cakes. Got these a few weeks ago when I went to Asda. They've been in the fridge. I'm not finding this essential range very good. So I thought, let's see if I can sort some out and try and get it look tasting nice at least. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, 10 beef burgers. I can't remember how much there was. They wasn't expensive. Probably about £1 or something. I can't remember, so I got them weeks ago. And 10 breaded cod fish cakes. Just essentials. What I'm going to do, I'm going to batter them. Got this from Morrison's. Why not? Now, I used to have battered beef burgers from the chippy years ago. So I thought, well, why not? And I also thought, why not just batter the breaded coded fish cakes while I'm at it? Just for a laugh. It's just going to be a mess around, that's all. Nothing too major. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open them up. There they are. I'm going to try one frozen. If the frozen don't work, we'll try it defrosted. And the fish cakes. So I'm not showing you the ingredients because, I mean, I can show you if you want me to, I suppose. But have yourselves a quick look. Because it's just a mess around for me. I don't want to cook them separate because I'm not finding them very nice. All this stuff. So there's all the ingredients and the nutrition. To show you the beef burger one, in case you want to have a quick look at yourselves. Just pause it and do what you do. There you go. I've got a phone popping off somewhere. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the beef burger first. Let's get it open. There we go. I mean, I've never had these ones before, but I'm not expecting them to be the best anyway. And there's the fish cake. Now, I do like fish cakes. So I'm going to see what I like battered. I've never had a battered fish cake. Obviously, they're breaded, aren't they? But it'd be worth a laugh, wouldn't it, I suppose? So I got this batter mix. This was 75p from Morrison's. Never had it before. People say, make your own batter. Tomorrow's video, I've got takeaway tomorrow. So I will be doing my own, but for today, it's just convenience. So that's it. It's quite simple, really. Preheat the fat or oil in a deep fat fryer. Well, I ain't got one of them. I'm using my wok. Empty contents of the packet into a mixing bowl. Add 280ml, half a pint of cold water. Whisk until the batter is smooth. Well, I've got fizzy water, sparkling water. And that's been in the fridge all night, so that's freezing cold. So that's good enough there. Dry the fish, chicken or vegetables. Well, obviously it's the burgers. Then lightly dust with flour, dip in the batter coating fully. Carefully place in the hot fat or oil and fry until the batter is golden and the food is cooked thoroughly. Simple enough, isn't it? So I got myself a bowl of flour to dip it in first. And I got that bowl there. So let's open this up. There it is there. Let me know if you've had battered beef burgers before. I absolutely loved them years ago, I did. Battered beef burger. There's that. I want half a pint of this. Did it say half a pint? Let me just check. Half a pint, which is 280ml. So we'll get that in. And we'll mix till we get a batter. Like so. You want it a bit like a cream, don't you? That looks about right to me. Right, I've got my oil in my wok. about half full. Not half, quarter, just enough so you can get it, so you can fry it. I'm going to get that on 170 degrees, so I'm going to do it slow. I'll see if I get the temperature right on it. Let that boil up for a bit. Right, that's 170 degrees. I've just made myself a coffee while I was waiting. Right, let's dip the burger in first then. In the flour. I put a bit of salt on it. In the flour. Let's dip this in. Get round this side. Oops. Get it coated. I don't know if it'll stick because it's frozen, I'm not sure. I think it should do. Get the excess off. And straight in there. Do it away from you. Slowly, there we go. Let that one do its thing for a second. Then we'll do this one. Breaded, battered fish cake. Okay. Yeah. I reckon about 6 minutes should do them, I think. A bit more. Get it coated. There we go, let's try that one. Get them both in. Wash my hands up, looking nice. Come off a bit on the one. Put air up, I'll just keep turning them and keep trying. A few minutes. Burger's looking nice, looks like it does in a chippy. Missing a little bit, but hey up, hey. Turn again. Oh yes, bad burger's looking nice. And the fish cake. Coming off a bit there. Keep turning. There we go. I did check the temperature. I checked it on this meat thermometer thing. Where is it? You can see it. I'm going to probably break it because it's not full. But it says don't dip in water or nothing, so I don't know whether the thing would be okay. Look at them beauties. How thick that is, look. Oh yes. I think they're about done. I think they're done. Let's get them out. Yeah, a little colander, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to drain them off first. I don't know how long that was, about 5 minutes was that? About 5 minutes. So I hope they're cooked. They look cooked. Very crunchy. Look at that one. Battered fish cake, look at it. Battered breaded fish cake, shall I say. Oh yes. Right, I'll leave them for a few minutes, let them drain off. I'll get some kitchen towel and then we'll have a crack. There you go, I drained them off for about a minute. Look at them beauties. Don't they look nice? Especially that fish cake, look how much that's crunched up. I hope it's cooked. Should be, been in about what, 5 minutes. Bad burger, that looks about right for a chippy. A little bit of grease on them. Oops, put it there. Right, let's have a taste test. So what do you think yourself? I think they don't look too bad at all. It's all in the taste, isn't it? If they're cooked. I'm going to get straight into it. Oh, smells just like a chippy, it smells. Greasy as well, like a chippy. The burger's definitely cooked, you can see that. I should have put a little bit more salt in the batter. The burgers aren't the best. They're very mushy. But yeah, if you had a better burger, that'd be bang on. I quite like that with the batter. I say I've never tried them on their own. And I don't think I'm going to. So it's always saying, oh, try them on your own. No, I'm not trying them on their own. Would I buy them burgers and do that again? Yeah, I would. Yeah, bit more salt and pepper. You can even do it with beer, can't you? I don't drink or anything, but I'm not having beer. That's why I've got spring water. Sparkling water. Now onto the fish cake. Look at the size of that. It's come up well in it, that. But is that cooked? Find out now. Listen to the crunch. That could have done me about another minute. That was enough for, I think it was 5 minutes virtually. Probably do another minute. It's hot, but it's not hot, if you know what I mean. It's like, it's not warm, but it's hot. But it's not hot. You get me? But yes, I'll definitely 100% buy them fish cakes again and do that. That is gorgeous. And that batter. £75p, that is, from Morrison's. That is well worth the money. And you do get quite a lot. There's all that left, look. Oh yes, yes. So there you go. Want to buy something cheap? Like them burgers and like them fish cakes. Batter them up. You can't go wrong. A bit more salt though for me, I think, and a bit more pepper. Apart from that, perfect. As I say, I am the old food guy. Nice simple one there. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Nearly 5,000 now. I think about 40 to go to 5,000. Thank you so much, all of you. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Lovely. Lovely. Bye.